Hello students, in a complex number, next point is powers of I. We know that I, it is called as a imaginary unit. It is called as a imaginary unit, and we know that the first one result that the value of I is equals to the square root of -1. Then next, second one result that will be is equals to I square is equals to -1 then. And then third one result that will be is equals to I cube is equals to I cube, that it is equals to, we know that I square into I, that's why it will be is equals to -1 into I, so it is equals to that minus I there, and therefore we get that I cube is equals to minus I there. The fourth one result is that here I to the power 4 is equals to I square into I square there. That's why it is equals to -1 into -1. That will be is equals to +1 there. So we get that I to the power 4 is equals to 1. That it is a important one result. I to the power 4 is equals to +1 there. Now we find the next result, that it is equals to fifth, that I square to the power, that it is a odd number, then that will be is equals to -1. For example, if I take out there I to the power 34 then, so that will be is equals to I square and to the power 17 there. 17, it is an odd number, so we get that -1 to the power 17 there. That's why it is equals to -1, and therefore that it is a result I square and to the power odd number, then that will be is equals to -1. Then sixth result, that it is a I square to the power even number then, so that will be is equals to +1. In that case, for example, if I consider I to the power 12, that will be is equals to I square and to the power 6 there. Then what we get, that it is equals to -1 to the power, that it is 6. So that's why it is equals to +1. And therefore we get that here the I square and to the power even number, then that will be is equals to +1 here. That it is a result. Then next one, the seventh result, that will be is equals to I to the power multiple of 4 there. I to the power, suppose the multiple of 4, then that will be is equals to +1. For example, here now I consider that I to the power 28. We know that it will be I to the power 4 and to the power 7 there. So that's why it will be is equals to I to the power 4. We know that it is equals to 1. 1 to the power 7, that will be is equals to 1 here. So that it is a result that I to the power multiple of 4, that will be directly you can write down as a 1 there. Then eighth result is that I to the power 4n multiple of 4 and plus 1, then it will be is equals to that I to the power 4 1 and then plus 1, that will be is equals to as a I there. For example, for that case, if I consider that I to the power, suppose for example if we consider I to the power 17 then, so we know that here the I to the power 17, that means it will be is equals to 4 into 4 and then plus 1 there. We can substitute this one as I to the power 4 and then next to the power 4 there and then next into I there. So it will be is equals to that, we know that I to the power 4, that it is equals to 1 to the power 4 into I. So that's why it is equals to 1 into I, that it is equals to 1 into I, that will be is equals to I there. So that it is a result that I to the power 4n plus 1, that will be is equals to as a I there. Then next, the ninth result, that will be is equals to, we get that I to the power 4n and then plus 2 there. So I to the power 4n plus 2, that will be is equals to -1. For that, here I consider an example like that I to the power 22. I to the power 22 may be written as I to the power 4 into 5, that will be is equals to 20, and then plus 2, that will be is equals to I to the power 22. It may be written as I to the power 4 and to the power 5, and then into it is a I square there. We know that I to the power 4 as a 1 there, and 1 to the power 5, and then next again I square, that will be is equals to minus 1. So we get that here 1 into minus 1, that will be is equals to minus 1 there. So that it is a result that I to the power 4n plus 2, that will be is equals to minus 1. And the last one result, that will be is equals to I to the power 4n plus 3 there, that will be is equals to minus I. How it is that then? Here we consider I to the power 47 suppose. Then what we get that it is equals to I to the power 47 may be written as 4 into 11. That means 44 and plus 3 there, right? And that means here we get that I to the power 4 to the power 11 there, and into that it is a I cube there, that will be is equals to 1 to the power 11 into I cube. We know that it is equals to minus I, and therefore we get that 1 into minus I, that will be is equals to minus I there. So in this way I to the power 4n plus 3, that will be is equals to minus I there. So we'll use all these property to solve the examples there.